Monday trading, what is it all about? So in my case, I would love to avoid making entries on a Monday. Why? Because the market makers are actually in a state of accumulating contracts which they need to reap off the liquidity over the coming week. So before we go deep in this particular video on why we shouldn't trade on Mondays, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of our content as we upload. On that note, we are going to talk about how the market moves on a Monday and how and why to actually avoid taking trades on a Monday and have proof over the charts. So make sure you stick up to the end of this video so that you will fully understand and comprehend why we say Monday is a no. So firstly, there are market makers in our trading, and market makers are actually those guys who have large access to big, who have access to large amounts of capital. So we all know that some other people would like to disregard the involvement of market makers in the forex market, but they are there. Even you yourself, you can become a market maker if you have access to substantial amounts of capital. We are talking of amounts of capital that can allow you to open 13,000 lots, 15,000 lots, and so forth. So Mondays are actually used by these guys to accumulate liquidity. If they trade blindly, they will actually lose money. So they need us, or they need to convince retail traders to take positions which they will counter later. So when the week starts, we usually start with a wrong move, if I can say. We start with a move that we wish to induce traders to take positions which we can later hit their stops and introduce liquidity in the markets. So Mondays will set the initial highs and lows of that particular trading week. In this case, let's say this is a move that has been issued on a Monday. So my principles in my trading methodology, I would say you only trade when either the high of the week or the low of the week has been retested or has been broken. So we need to see break of this initial high of the week, or break of this initial low of the week, or retest of that level for us to start looking for trading entries. Even on the VIP channel, we actually discourage trading on Mondays because this is the case. So this will require us to go over the charts to see how Mondays move and what trading opportunity may you get in those particular trading days. Let's jump over Euro USD to see how Mondays behaved over the past month of September. In this case, we can see that on Monday, we were actually completing our cycle, right? As I have said, Mondays are used to give the reference of the initial high of the week or initial low of the week so that we may break them, retest them, or actually wait to see after we go out of the Monday range. By going out of the Monday range, it's actually trading outside this Monday range. In this case, we can see that on a Monday, we set this initial high of the week. And in the following day, we actually got retest of the initial high of the week. That is where we got this large move. So someone would have actually probably wanted to buy in this case. Most retail traders would say this is now a lower high in the markets as the market is trending in the upward direction. So this is a lower high where we are going to buy. Unfortunately, they could see the market going against them. Then this was Monday, the 19th of September. We can see that it actually finished the war week by setting the initial high and initial low of that particular week. And then after that, on Tuesday, we came back and took off the high that had been set, right? After taking off this high, that is when we started to look for trading opportunities. So it will be wise for someone to actually try to wait for Monday to end and for Monday to set the initial highs and lows of the day. Then we can see Monday, the 26th of September, this was an end of completion. Monday, we can see that we had the initial low and the initial high of the week. And as I've said, we should try to find entries when we get out of the Monday range. In the following day, on Tuesday, we can see that the market was still inside these ranges. If we drag this, we can see that we were still inside the ranges of the Monday trading day. Then on Wednesday, that is when we actually broke the low of the initial weekly low. After that, the market went this way. So today, which is Monday, the 3rd of October, we can see what the market is doing. We do not know or want to try to predict what the market will happen other than to just sit back, relax, and see what the market will give us on the table. But I would actually say let the market do its thing on this day, and then we'll see what will take place on Tuesday, and then try to find trading opportunities in line with the market maker cycle. So basically, this is the reason behind my opinion of not trading on Mondays. I understand there are a lot of people who would say they have made a lot of money on Mondays, but the market is slow. The market is not even trending and likely tripping. On that note, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out our free Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. See you on the next one.